I hope everyone is doing well. Okay, today we are going to model this building. Alright, so I have already modeled this and I will show you how to start and finish the model. Alright, so this will be a factory building with beams and columns, sagrods, okay, C-purlin, all the connections, and the shading also will be there. Our Baseplate connection will be here, and I'll show you the shading. Alright, so in a quick Alright everyone, so today we are going to build this building. Alright, so this will be a factory building. Okay, so with our base plate connections, column and beam, okay, sagrod, C-purlin, and the shading will be also here, right? So let's get started how to build this. So first of all, we have to create our grid. I have already taken the grid. Okay, I delete and create for you guys. Okay, so our edit and grid. Take the grid. Okay, press here and modify to our requirement. Okay, we need this side is 2 grid and the other side is 5 grid. Okay, so in our Z side we will have 5000 meter, then another 1000 meter for our trash. Okay, the Y side we will have only 5 grid. Okay, so 5 grid, and the grid dimension we will put how much we have taken. We taken here 4000. Okay, so other side we will take 4000, 5 grid. Okay, so this side will be 5000 and the one is 6000. Okay, so just modify first. We will have to put 5. This location we will have to put 4. Okay, click here, space. Okay, then AB side our spacing we had 10,000. Okay, so we will still have 10,000. Sorry, 10,000. Okay, so this side A and B. Okay, A and B. So we will shift some other side. Okay, pick any point. Okay, we want to shifting is any point. Alright, so that's why we have to on the any point option. Okay, don't. Okay, expand. Alright, if you now want to change anything here, the extended line we can change by this side. Okay, 2 meter. Most of the side we can take 2 meter will be better for us. Right, so 2 meter. Faster way we just copy. Okay, copy and paste, copy and paste. Right, so now we no need to change anything this grid, so we just go and lock this grid. Later we don't want the grid will be changes. All right, so now we can we have to rename this because just now I have another one grid with same name. Okay, so we don't want the name will be same. Alright, so I make C and D. C and D, this side will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so create grid along the grid line. Okay, we already have 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we have to input our column. We will use same profile, no issue. So we will make here the phase will be difference. Okay, so this side we will make second building. BUILDNG. Okay, set current, control H. Okay, this will be control H. Second building, set current. Okay, so we will input our column. We will add our column. Okay, so create the column. Okay, 5000. You see here top. Press here 5000. All right. So our profile is also okay. Everything is okay. Base plate. Our base connection we will add with 1042. Click column and click our. Okay, we already have our base plate connection. We will reload this. Excuse me. Okay, so click down this. Okay, we'll just take from here. We just take from here. Modify. One 1046. This connection. Okay. Okay, you can have this, right? New connection. If you want to change anything, so you can change with plate thickness, web thickness. Okay, everything you can change here. Our plate will be 12 mm thickness, or I think 16 mm thickness will be better. Okay, 16 mm thickness. Okay, change this 16 mm thickness. All right, so 16 mm thickness. Okay, so I will take the grid line 6 for making our trash or rafter, whatever you say. All right, so now we will take a construction line. Okay, pick this point and pick the midpoint. All right, pick the midpoint. This side we will have 1 meter extension line. Okay, then we will create our beam. Okay, UC. All right, our UC, you can hold Control Shift if you have already the profile. Okay, click here and click the opposite side. Okay, so we will have 1 meter this side. Okay, we will have 1 meter this side. Okay, fine, we will already have. Okay, so now we will take our endpoint connection. Endpoint connection normally I take is 144. Okay, I will take this 144 connection. Pick the main part here. This is the secondary part. All right, so we have connection, and now we will load again the connection from here. In-plate connection, column cascading, stringer, rafter to column. All right, rafter to column, this connection. Modify this. Okay, I think this is not the perfect connection. no problem, we can check, we can change it to our recommendation. Okay, what we need. Okay, this side normally we no need to put anything. We go here, we go to bolt. Okay, 12 mm thickness, everything okay, middle, center, this is no need to put. You put here is 3. Okay, this one also no need to put. Normally this is adjustable. All right, so you can put here 2, this side is 150, the other side is 300. You can put 3 pieces is 150. Let's see what's going on. All right, I think this is nice, but we can, if you want to make some more difference, okay, then you can extend here, then put some more stiffener if you need. All right, so for now our connection is fine. All right, we will proceed with this connection. Okay, come here, ready, then we will have to mirror this connection. Go to here, mirror, take the midpoint. Okay, before that we will have to change our work plane. Okay, click our work plane, then bring here any of the side, no issue, then click here, mirror, then midpoint. All right, we have to take midpoint, come down, you see 90 degree. Okay, already there. Sorry, actually we can take this also, our column also. Okay, column also copying, no issue. Okay, so now we will have to have our this joint connection. Okay, for joint we'll have join, then click here, click part, another one part. We can go with this connection also. We can make bigger, 12 mm thickness, okay, or 10 mm whatever thickness, excuse me, whatever thickness you have. Okay, you can do this 12 mm. Okay, tolerance, then middle 0, you can take middle 0. You can come here 3, you can 3 here also, 150, 200, then 200. All right, this side is 200. Okay, I think for connection also will be fine. 4 bolt. This side space will be bigger, ready. Okay, so this space we can make a smaller a bit. 125, 150, 150, 150. Okay. Okay, so this connection need to be a little bit shorter a bit. This is not center. Okay, this is, we can adjust one, no issue. Okay, so 125. You can do is 3, 125 one time. All right, so connection is very nice now. Okay, so in this case actually we have to take some reference point for making our C-purlin and our sagrod. Okay, so now we have to make our sagrod first. For making sagrod we can take our center line. For center line reference, okay, we will on advanced option, then center line, advanced display. Okay, you go to modify, apply. Okay, modify, apply. Okay, you go here, then click our point. For point I have a shortcut P. If you don't know much about the keyboard shortcut, then you can go here, SHORT, okay, shortcut, then you can come here, keyboard shortcut. All right, keyboard shortcut, then you will get here point, POINT. Okay, any point, I take it this point. Okay, for add point in line I make AP. and so many construction line, and all this is shortcut here. So which one you need, okay, you can make your own shortcut, all right, for easier and quicker modeling. Okay, so for now I want to hide the bolt. Okay, I don't want to show the bolt because I cannot see the construction line or my center point. Okay, so for this I will point here. Okay, okay, center point. So now I have to bring down this to here 200. Okay, 200. So our sagrod will be here. Another one more will be 200 mm from below. Okay, so later I will talk. Okay, now the connection 200 mm from here will be our another sagrod. Okay, so for our display we have to show our points. So after refresh our point will be shown. Okay, another sagrod we will put in here. Okay, so that's why we will make our work plane in line with our rafter. Alright, so now get another one point here. Then another one point here. Center point, right? Okay. Then I will make another one point from here to 200 mm away. All right, 200 mm away. Okay, so this point we no need now here, and the other side is 200 mm. All right, so in that case actually I can move 200 mm also. The same thing will be everywhere. Okay, center 200, center to 200. All right, so now our sagrod need to make it. So in that case, for making our sagrod we will need three some more column. All right, so we will have to copy this. I thinking this connection stiffener also can be put. Okay, so we will add stiffener here. Okay, in this location, because stiffener should be put first. Okay, 10 mm thickness, 10 mm. Okay, so you show here stiffener and modify. All right, this is also 10 mm thickness, 10 mm thickness, stiffener. All right, so two stiffener is here, nicer. Okay, the more stronger. Other side also we can modify this one time. Okay, so now copy. We will copy this. We will copy 4000. Okay, so now we will show our point again. When you refresh, then your point will be disappear. Okay, this point is already here, but we need point the other location also. Okay, so we haven't copied. So what we can do, we come here. Okay, only select the point selection. All right, so when you select, then you will select only point. You see now 6 objects and 0 handle selected, meaning here is 3, the other side is, this side is 6. Okay, 2 to 6. So now I copy here to, okay, here you see the point is already copied. Alright, so now we will have to make our sagrod. For making sagrod, we will go here and our center point. Okay, so this will going to be our rod only. Okay, rod profile 50 mm rod or 16 mm rod. Okay, normally 20 mm rod, 16 mm rod also will be fine. Okay, this side we no need to extend because for rafter only we extended. Okay, so now we no need to extend. The same profile we need the opposite side also. Come here, then click here, then click opposite another point. All right, so we can make our okay, this side will be hit with stiffener. Okay, no issue, so we can change this, we will modify. Okay, so okay, so this we will change to center point. Click here, okay, alter and P, then you will come here center. Okay, already have center. Okay, okay, so now we will need to have the connection, so we will connect with tensile connection. Okay, so for tensile connection you can tensile connection, okay, this connection. Okay, main part and secondary part, main part and secondary part. All right, so main part already our beam and secondary part already our rod. Okay, already have it. So now what we will do, we will change the color. Okay, the most of the color is already same ready. So what we will do, double click our color, we will only need to select this. Okay, so this will sagrod. Okay, numbering time we must have the same different naming. All right, if same naming, then this will be very difficult for find out the material list. Okay, sagrod. Okay, color we can put in the same color because both the same profile, everything is same. Okay, for sagrod we already okay. Okay, so now we can have our C-purlin. All right, so C-purlin, for C-purlin we go again our elevation view. We can show our grid here. Normally if anything is missing, we can go here, display. There is a lot of things. Bolt, if you should see that there is no bolt, meaning is you untick this. Okay, so you have to tick. All right, the holes, weldings, construction plane, reinforcement, all right, river, cut part, fittings, okay, component symbol, whatever, everything is here. So we have to show this. All right, so now we will have to have our another point, because now we have to calculate how many C-purlin will be here. Okay, so now how many C-purlin will be here from here to, we will move 200 mm, sorry, 250 mm already. Okay, so now come here. Okay, so now another option, we will put our point here, then we will come 200 mm, we'll come here 200 mm. Okay, so now how many mm? 5699.02. Alright, so now the 5699 meaning is 5700. 5700, if we go to calculator, so 5700 to 1500, 3.8, meaning we have 4 purlin. Okay, so we can have 4 purlin here. Apply. Okay, so again the display point is missing. Okay, again 4 point, apply. Okay, you click here, click here. Okay, so equally divided, 1139. Okay, 1139 mm. Okay, for C-purlin we can have our purlin connection and our purlin. So for that, what we can do is we go here, then whatever is this is no issue, we can change the profile later. Okay, so now we can click purlin, or we go change here the name first, purlin, then the material we can come here and change. Okay, now the C-purlin, we want to use C-purlin for this C-purlin, C-purlin. So profile we will take 75. Okay, we can change the color first, like this one. We will extend this side. We'll extend this side, I think 1 meter. Okay, so the same connection and same purlin we will copy here. Okay, make another one, then make another one, and we will extend 150, 1500. All right, so now we will select this. Okay, you will see now the rotation is different. Okay, so we can rotate, no problem. We can rotate this way. Okay, we can rotate this way, and okay, then the other side will be right, other side will be top. Okay, this is perfect. Now move, click here, click our point. Alright, so now we can see from here. Okay, we click this. So now we can observe what's going on here. Is it everything is going smoothly or what? Okay, so now we already made it. Okay, so now I think first of all we can mirror this first. For that we can change our work plane. Okay, for mirroring I already changes the work plane. Alright, you can go here, change, copy special mirror. Okay, you must have the midpoint. Okay, so the sagrod we already copied the other side. Okay, this is nice. So now what we have to do is this part have to copy here. Okay, the other location we will copy along with our beams and columns later on. Okay, so now I will go by midpoint. Okay, midpoint, you copy midpoint, 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 okay, another midpoint. Okay, if you move this and everything is midpoint, so dimension will be same. Okay, so now we need to have the connection first. So this connection will be the cold form connection. Okay, so now the connection for this purlin, we will click here and click here. Okay, so connection is already there. You see, this is automated connection. For in this location we will have another connection. Okay, we will have to modify a little bit. So how much space you want to give purlin to purlin? 5 mm. Alright, so 5 mm. The connection is fine here. We have to have bolting, we can show here. Okay, this side is 2 bolt, the other side also 2 bolt. You come here, then I think the bolt also by default is 20 mm, so we want to set 10 mm. The connection is very small now. Okay, so we will have to put the spacing here 100 mm. We can put in 75 mm, then this space is 50 mm, very big. Okay, so this can put somewhere smaller, it still is bigger. So I think there is 50 mm flat bar, 65 mm also flat bar. Okay, 65, okay, 75, so can add 60 in order to make bigger bolt. Okay, 50, then this one we can put 40, no issue. 2 bolt, okay, 2 bolt. This one is 0. Okay, must be in line. Okay, so now I think the connection is okay, looking good, green color, meaning we can proceed with this connection. Alright, so now we have to copy the same thing, copy the same thing. Okay, how you can copy is you go here, do this. Okay, copy special, come here, 4000. So how many times 4000? 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4. Undo, the times is different. Okay, so now we have to 3 times. Okay, 3 times we already done. Okay, this purlin is need to be shipped 1500 mm overlapping, because just now this purlin is the inside one. Okay, so the corner one and the inside was is different. Right, so now we already done another. Now you can see it's looking good. This one is shifted. Okay, so now no issue, you select this. Sometimes if you not see properly, then in these kinds of things is happen. You can delete this, no issue. Okay. We can delete this one. Then move 150. Okay. Okay, I got it. This length is different. Okay, this length is different. This length is higher one, 1 meter. Okay, so now we can copy to other location. 1000. Okay, now you can copy number of copies, 1. Copy here to copy there. Copy. Okay, already copied. Okay, so now this one is need to extend. All right, so sometimes you will have, when modeling, this kinds of issue. When you copy, maybe you haven't selected something, so second time you have to do. Okay, so now in that case, this is very easy option for modeling. Okay, you have to be very careful. Very little bit option, very little bit mistake. Okay, going to be very big in your erection and fabrication. Okay, so what you have to do, you select all this, then you control, then hover over the whole thing. Okay, so you will see the yellow color thing. Okay, when you click something, right, 5 or 6 or 7 or 2 or whatever, how many pieces, if you click something outside, then all the selection will be gone. So how you can come back again to all the select is Control plus P, so the selection will be come back again. Okay, so now extend 500 mm. Okay, extend 500 mm. So all the connection, now we will give this connection first. Click. Okay, our connection. Click our connection. Click our connection. Okay, the other side also the same connection is here. Okay, so same connection, we will have same connection. Very easy, right? Okay, so now this connection also we need to have. So now we will have this connection. So this is 3 part, your main part and secondary 2 parts. All the connection location, we will have to have this connection. Okay, click, middle mouse. Okay, first point, second, third, middle mouse. First, second, third, middle mouse. First, second, third, middle mouse. All right, so our connection is nearly done. Now we can copy to the other part. Mostly model is typical part. You cannot have this side is one kind of connection and the other side is another kind of connection. If not, there is happen something different or in your new model everything will be same. Okay, typical. So now we will mirror. Before mirror, okay, sagrod connection we can do inside this. Okay, so for this sagrod connection, okay, we can make sagrod SAG. For easier, okay, we can go and see this side. We already have a sagrod connection. Right, so for the sagrod we will go with this S54 connection. Okay, S54 connection, rod 16. Okay, the spacing will be 200 mm from here. Okay, and this spacing will be 50 mm from S. Okay, click here, center. Okay, so this connection will be okay, so we have to modify this now. 50 mm from so this one we will put some more. This connection should be, I think, okay, -50. So this is okay. In that case will be okay. Okay, apply okay. So everywhere we will give this connection. We will have same connection. In this location you have to manually shift if you want some or more purlin, the sagrod, so we will manually edit this, how many purlin is required in your location. Alright, so now we will mirror our sagrod and our purlin, the other location. So now we will not copy our construction line and point, so that's why I undo construction and our points. Okay, so now we are selecting our things for mirror. Okay, our C-purlin. Okay, so now copy mirror. Okay, already have, so we already mirror. Okay, we already done. You see our building is already prepared. We just have to fabricate now. Okay, so now in that case we will have to have our flooring. Okay, so now for flooring we can have, you can have one connection for flooring, this kinds of thing. Okay, floor layout for estimation purpose only. So before flooring or shading, okay, excuse me, so we can we must have to know our panel size. Okay, before model. So now as we don't know, or we just understanding for our learning purpose, so we can proceed with this, no issue. So now endpoint and start point, we'll go with this. Okay, so your starting point you must, okay, so for this now you will have a slab or something. You can import your profile here. Okay, no issue. How many thickness? Normally 3 mm or 2 mm or 1 mm. Okay, you can give, no issue. The direction you can change. Okay, direction you can change, direction you can change, no problem. Okay, how much you want to cut, whatever you can select. Okay, detailing, everything you can select. This panel will be, I think, the the other side, this side. Okay, so in that case our for mirroring rafter, we'll have to have our work plane on top of our rafter. This is going to be 3 mm, so actually 200 mm slab one. Okay, so this flooring panel will have here something like this cupping. Okay, for the rain one. Excuse me. Okay, so drink water, need to drink water. Alright, so the other side I will show you the same thing. You just have to go with this. Okay, so our direction will be now this side. Which side you are doing, so you will have your direction. Alright, so when you model you will already know, like now this side is the direction is this side. Okay, the direction you already have it. You click here, you modify. Okay, you click here, you modify, then you bring up. Okay, so this is how you can shade your building. Same thing, you just have to shade how many points you left. Okay, you just select this point, then you can make your shade. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any questions, you don't understand anything, okay, any confusing, please comment below, and please like and share and subscribe to our channel, Facebook page. And okay, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have anything, and if you would like me to draw something or model something, okay, just let me know in the comment section below. And I think the next day I will create the drawings and show you how to create drawings. All right, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining with me. I hope you have learned something. Thank you.